y'all, it's me, Zoe. Yeah, as you know, my last video did not go well. Like, that setting spray comparison, oh my goodness. Whew, that was interesting. So, if you didn't watch that video, basically I was seeing if high-end setting sprays and drugstore setting sprays, like, were they both worth it? Like, it was like is high-end makeup worth it video, and guess what? I like the drugstore setting spray more for one reason only, and that reason is I sprayed it way too close to my face, and in this eye, I literally sprayed it so close that I was like dripping with setting spray, and I got it in my eye, so my mascara was bleeding everywhere. It was taking away my makeup because I sprayed it so close. It was so bad. Anyways, it was a Too Faced Hangover coconut primer, but I do like that setting spray, but I sprayed it way too close to my face. I sprayed it like this close, and I usually spray it like this close, like do such a big difference. Anyways, yeah, don't do that. But yeah, so today that was a lot of blabbering. So yeah, okay. So today I'm rocking my natural hair. Actually, I always am, but it's not very curly today because I did not shower at night. Like when I brush it, the curls just kind of fall off if it's wet, but it should get more curly as it goes on. Okay, anyways, I have like this problem of not looking in the camera thing and then just like looking at this screen. Yeah, you guys probably get what I mean, but anyways, I do that when I take pictures too, it's so weird. Anyways, yeah, so today we are going to be, doing how to shop Sephora tips and tricks, how to get your most money out of Sephora. So let's just get right into this video, y'all. So yeah, my first trick is make multiple accounts. So as you know, you go to Sephora and every month of the year, whatever month it is, the people whose birthdays are in those months, you get a birthday present. But if you really like your birthday present, and I know there's two options. So if you really like yours, you can make multiple Sephora accounts and make your birthday different. So I was born in April, so therefore I got like the Drunk Elephant cleanser moisturizer set. But what if I really like that and I wanted to get it again because my moisturizer ran out and my skin is really dry today? Well, then I would say my birthday's going on there and make a new account. Say my birthday's in August. And go in there and redeem it. Or if I won the Kat Von D, I could say my birthday's in September or July and I could get it. You guys get what I mean. So like make multiple accounts and make most of those free things. Now, I would suggest don't use your points on those little samples, because once you get to 1,000 points, which means you spent $1,000 on makeup, which you can save up for years and years, they never expire. Once you get that many, 1,000 points, you can actually redeem a $100 gift card from Sephora, which is really good actually. So like save your points, don't just get those tiny little samples that run out in like 3 days. Okay, y'all? And then if you don't, and the other thing is, yeah, also you obviously have to sign up for the reward program to get those points, but shop the Sephora VIB sale, because if you are a VIB Rouge, which means you spent $1,000, you get 20% off. A VIB you get 15, and just a normal insider. To get VIB you have to spend $350, and to get a Rouge you have to spend $1,000, and insider is just the starting point. So insider gets insider gets 10% off. So shop that, other than doing that, and then get free samples at the store, because they could like people will ask like, how many samples can I possibly get? They're like 3, but they can't deny you more, by the way, because that's like not part of their sales tactic. They just have to be really nice about it. And if they don't have your product in store, they'll actually ship it to you for free if you really want it. So yeah, those are some good tips and tricks. But yeah, like also don't get sucked into that mini section, because sometimes so for example, I have my Too Faced little hangover mini, $16 for 1 ounce, but the full size is $32 for 4 ounces. So they'll give you less, but make it look like it's half the price, half the size, but it's really not. Yeah, and that's kind of tricky. Yeah, also on the receipt, they will give you a website that it's www.survey.medallia.com/Sephora/USA, and you can sign up, no purchase necessary, for a $250 Sephora gift card. They give a winner every single week. So if you sign up that every single week, it renews on the minute before midnight on Wednesday. Yeah, then you can get that free sample, y'all. So yeah, I think that's it. I know this was a short video, but you know, short tips and tricks for short shopping sprees, right? Just kidding. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!